Okay, push, 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 pop, pop, pop. Of course, we could have done this bit in a loop. Not critical for the lesson. Clean things up a little here. Okay, I'm going to just get rid of stuff I don't really need for the lesson here. Not going to need to offset the printable number either, just to verify everything works. There's our little alternate happy guy. This time, though, instead of printing that character, I want to print its actual numerical value. Kind of quick there. There's our one. I'd like to set it up with a condition where I'm going to check a value first. Let me put a value into AX of 1, right? And then I want to check whether that is a 1 or 0, and then print it out accordingly down here. So I'm going to kind of create a little condition. I'm not using a stack here any longer either. Okay. Here, basically, we just load 1. I could use a label, but we'll just comment that. Load 1 there. Right. And so here's my condition. Right. It's in there, but I want to check it. So first thing I can do is do a compare. Compare AX. I'm going to compare it to 0. Okay. And then if it is 0, we in the past we did jump not 0. Right, this time jump if it is 0 we're going to skip over load 1 and go to load 0, which we haven't made yet, but that's easy enough. Let's copy drag that down there like so. Put the semicolon. Oh, I always get those backwards. Semicolon in there, and down in load 0, we'll do exactly that. We will move into Al the value of 0 there, and call print it. I guess. Let me jump to here. It should be jump over to print it, but copy that first. Jump. Yeah, jump down to print it. Load 0, move, and then print it. Yeah, load 0. I won't need this. I'm just going to let it flow through. And if it loads 0, it will just immediately proceed down there. All right. Let's see if that works. There's my 1, because I have a 1 in there. What happens if I put a 0 in there? Oh, nothing at all. Okay, so it goes down. Let's do this the other way than where it was before. Wait, it was before. CLI-HLT, and go print it after I move it in there. Load 1. Save. 15 is bad. Print it. Load. Oh, I see. I call. Print it. I redefine the label. Okay. print it, return. Oh, here, move. Oh, of course, it's printing 0 because that's exactly what it was. It was null. See what we got. Info 15. Jump to print it. Just like that. Thinking what I want to do and not how I want to do it. There's my 0. Okay, so if I put a 1 in here, save that. There's my 1. Okay, so that's a binary decision, essentially. However, of course, if I put 8 in there as well, it still gives me the 1. So it's testing for 0 or non-0, right? But good enough for our purposes. Here for starters, we'll call that a Boolean operation.